This day is very important in the sense that the very elegy by Hazrat Jibreel alayhi salam, which Hazrat Jibreel alayhi salam said on the 19th of Ramadan, that signifies this day. Janab Jibreel alayhi salam said, Wallah tahaddamat wallahi arkan al huda. This is what Jibreel, Archangel Gabriel alayhi salam had to say on that very day, the unfortunate day of 19th of Ramadan. Now this statement itself clearly indicates the importance of this day, because Wallah, Jibreel is saying by God, I swear by the name of Allah, Tahaddamat Wallahi Arkan al Huda, that by God, the pillars of guidance have been destroyed today. The pillars of guidance have been destroyed today. We need to really ponder on these words by Hazrat Jibreel alayhi salam, because he did not say that a pillar of guidance has been destroyed. He did not say the pillars of Islam has been destroyed. He said, by Allah, the pillars of guidance have been destroyed. This signifies the importance of this day, that we must come out from our houses. We must mourn the death of Amir al-Mu'mineen. We must be like an orphan, because the Prophet said, me and Ali are the fathers of this ummah. Now, the demise of Mawla Amir al-Mu'mineen, the martyrdom of Mawla Amir al-Mu'mineen is like we being an orphan. So we must cry and lament like an orphan, and we must make this day like it would be a day for an orphan. And especially the orphans of Kufa, those who've continuously waited that there is somebody who comes every night and who feeds me and who comes and sits near me and who plays with me and he feeds me, and he is like father. They knew Ali to be their father. Now the martyrdom of Amir al-Mu'mineen was like passing away of their father. So we must also feel the same. We must come out from our houses and mourn this death, because this will symbolize that Ali was, as Shaykh Kulaini Allah Maqamahu said, Assalamu alayka ya asbar as-sabirin. This is a statement from the Zarat of Amir al-Mu'mineen. Assalamu alayka ya asbar as-sabirin. Peace be, salutations be upon you, O the one who was the most sabir, the most patient from all the patients, who was asbar as-sabirin. Now we must mourn this death to make the world remind of the fact that Amir al-Mu'mineen is an oppressor. His right was being usurped for 25 continuous years. For 25 odd years, he cried and lamented, and there was nobody with whom he could share his burden. Now that is the greatest pain of Amir al-Mu'mineen.
So according to you, the will that Amir al-Mu'mineen stated, how does you relate that to the present life, to the current life which you are living, and how is it important? I mean, how will you correlate with your current life?
Excellent question, because the will is too lengthy, and there is each and every aspect of that will requires a complete.
According to me, I mean, whatever I have heard, that whatever he stated do relate to the current life.
For example,
That
he
wasn't-
said.
that wasn't at that time period, for that time period only.
For
It was for
example,
the future life. Yeah.
For example, he said about two things. He advised about two things. One was piety, and the other one was unity. This wasn't for Imam Hassan, Imam Hussain alayhi salam, because they are definitely the leaders of the youth of paradise. So this is not for them. This is for us. Two things. One is piety, taqwa, and the other one is being united. Now what we see, that we have piety. We have piety in the sense that we love Amir al-Mu'mineen. Piety has different stages, like there's taqwa bil iman, then there's different stages are there. Now we started from the love of Amir al-Mu'mineen, which is the basic essence of taqwa bil iman. Now we must try to progress further in the different stages of piety. Firstly, and secondly, be united, because nowadays what we see is that there are n number of groups in Shiism. You can say people are this, people are that, people follow this person, people follow that person, they blame this person for this, they blame that person for that thing. Now what he advised us all to be is to be united under the banner of Amir al-Mu'mineen. We are all the lovers of Amir al-Mu'mineen. We must try to be united. That is, I think, which is the essence of this line from my side.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.